Hello, so this is the last video of your fraction video series. Here we are going to discuss some complex questions related to fractions which we have addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, brackets and of all the things together in same question. So let's go to the video. And here I write my first question, that is 1 2 over 3 multiply by half subtract 2 over 5. Now guys, you know the BODMAS theorem, right? BODMAS. That is the way, or else that is the method we are going to simplify a equation or else a algebraic formula or anything in mathematics when we have more than one simplification to do. So B means brackets first. Next of division, multiplication. There is no order between division and multiplication. You can just do both of them in the same time. And the next pair is addition and subtraction. So in this question, you have multiplication and also subtraction. So first, what you have to do? Yes, you have to do multiplication first. Okay. And here, first of all, I have to convert this one into an improper fraction, right? Okay. So 3 times 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5 over 3. Multiply by 1 over 2. Subtract 2 over 5. Now, as I said earlier, I have to do multiplication first. So, I'm going to simplify this part first. Okay. 5 times 1 is 5. 3 times 2 is 6. Then subtract 2 over 5. Okay. Now we have to do the subtraction part. What we have to do here to do subtraction? We have to take a common denominator, right? So I will multiply this side by 6, both numerator and denominator, here by 5. To take the common denominator 30. Okay. So 5 times 5 is 25. Subtract 2 times 6 is 12 over 30. Now the common denominator is 30. 25 subtract 12 means that is 13. That's it. So this is your final answer. Here the first thing I have done is converting the mixed number into an improper fraction. Then I did the multiplication and finally I did the subtraction and took the answer. So the next question is 2 over 5 divided by within brackets half plus 3 over 4. Can you remember the BODMAS rule? First, what we have to do? Yes, you have to simplify the brackets first. Okay, I write the same thing here. We have to write the same thing. You can't eliminate anything, okay? The common denominator is 4. Here I have to multiply both the sides by 2. So 2 times 1 is 2. Here I have positive 3. And I'm going to close the bracket. Again 2 over 5 divided by denominator is 4. 2 plus 3 means, yes, that is 5. Okay. So now we have to do a division. So what are the steps of division? Write in the first number in the same order. Convert in division into a multiplication. And take the reciprocal of the second number. So 4 over 5. Okay, so 2 times 4 is, that is 8. 5 times 5 is, yes, that is 25. So this is your final answer. That's it. So we are moving to our third question. That is this. 3 1 over 2 subtract 2 over 3 multiply by 6. So as 6 is a whole number, I will write 1 in the denominator. Now, remember the BODMAS rule? What you have to do first? Yes, you have to do the multiplication first. So I'm going to simplify this part first. Okay. So 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 over 2. I'm not going to simplify this. I just wrote the improper fraction. Okay. Minus. Here what we can do? We can simplify a little bit further. 3 times 1, 3 times 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. 1 times 1 is 1. Now we have a subtraction. We have to take the common denominator. So common denominator is 2. I'm going to multiply numerator and denominator both by 2. So here I have 7 over 2 minus 4 times 2 is 8 over 2. Okay, so common denominator is 2 already. 7 minus 8. What is the answer? That is negative 1. So your final answer is negative half. That is negative half. So I'm going to teach you these negative, positive things, all the things in next lesson, that is directed numbers. So let's learn the directed numbers also soon. Okay. So our next question, that is half plus 3 over 4 divided by 1 over 6, close the bracket, of 3. Okay, that's it. So for 3, I will write 1. Can you remember the BODMAS rule? What is the first thing? Brackets. Okay. So I will write the other things in the same order. 1 over 2 plus 3 over 4 multiply by division converting into multiplication 6 over 1 and of 3 over 1. I wrote the same things here and I just going to simplify the bracket now. The first thing is bracket, right? First thing is bracket. Okay. So is there anything I can simplify in this bracket? Yes. 4 times 2, 2 times 2, here 2 times 3. Okay, done. Half plus 3 times 3 is 9, 2 times 1 is 2. Of means, how to simplify of? So, the method of simplifying of is we are writing multiplication symbol instead of. Here, for of, we are substituting multiplication sign and we are writing the same things here. Don't take the reciprocal now. No need to take the reciprocal here as the division. Just write multiplication instead of. Okay. So here what we have to do? Here there is a multiplication. So is there anything we can simplify? No, there's nothing. So half plus 9 times 3. 27 over 2. Okay. 27 over 2. Now the common denominator is 2. 27 plus 1 means that is 28. So, can we simplify this one further? Yes, we can divide both the sides by 2. 1 here, 14. So, 14 is your final answer. 14 is your final answer. That's it. Okay, so this is the last question we are going to discuss in this video. That is more complex. Okay. Study this one carefully. And there is a long division here. Now we have 5 over 6 multiplied by 3 over 10. Okay. So here we have 4 lines in the same question. Okay, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to simplify the first 2 lines. This part I'm going to simplify first. 3 times 1, 3 times 1. Here 2 times 1, 2 times 2. So 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. I have simplified the first part and the longer division mark. Now I am going to simplify the second part or else the lower part. 3 times 1, 3 times 2 and here 5 times 1, 5 times 2. So 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 2 is 4. Is it so? Yes, that's it. Okay. So now we have 4 lines together, no? So we can't simplify this one in this method. So the method is, as this one also a division, I will write half divide by 1 over 4. I wrote this division in the other division mark. Now you can simplify. Now you know how to do this. Half multiply by 4 over 1. Convert this division into multiplication sign and take in the reciprocal. Okay. 2 times 1, 2 times 2. So 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 1 is 1. Answer is 2. That's it. You can check the same question again. Huh? Okay. So, these are the complex questions related to fractions lesson. So your fraction video series is over from here, and I think that you got a sound knowledge regarding fractions. So you can give me a comment what you think about this, and let's meet soon with decimals. Goodbye guys.